Now that our startup and models are looking good, we still need to do one thing, which is add the mapping configuration for our models and DTOs. So let me do that right here. Let me uncomment this, and first one from product DTO to product is good. We will just add the using statements. And we also want the reverse map, so the other way around from product to product DTO will also be covered with one statement. We'll copy and paste this 3 more times. Next one that we have is cart header and cart header DTO. This will be header and not the details. Next we have cart details and cart details DTO, and final one is cart and cart DTO. Perfect. So our mapping configurations looks good. If we go to our startup class file, we have already added the auto mapper because we copied these things from the product API, and the configuration looks good. Let's continue in the next video.